Today I'm going to tell you a story about the fallacies and mistakes about personal finance many people have. Meet John, successful, driven, and living the life he worked so hard for. A high-paying job, a nice house, vacations every year. John had it all, or at least that's what it looked like on the outside.
Hey guys, my name is John. I have a stable job, a fancy car, a beautiful house, all things that I have ever wanted. I have worked so hard to earn this life. I have never worried about buying stuff. I go on vacation with my wife and the kids every year. I want them to enjoy their lives too.
But this rosy picture is really supported not by John's wealth, but rather his debt. This lifestyle is really a non-guaranteed, is funded by his constant credit card use. Despite the good income, John never developed the habit of saving or living within his means. For years, he thought, I'll start saving once I get that next raise. But that raise never came, and neither did his emergency fund. You see, John wasn't living extravagantly to show off. He truly believed that he was living the life he deserved after working so hard. But he was caught in a cycle of earning and spending, without realizing the future consequences of not setting something aside for rainy days. Then, like it often happens, life threw John a curveball. An unexpected medical expense drained his checking account. His elder son, Colby, was diagnosed with a medical condition that requires $10,000 for treatment. And for the first time, John didn't have enough to cover his bills. Suddenly, those vacations and fancy dinners felt like past mistakes. John felt helpless, angry at himself for not saving earlier, ashamed for living paycheck to paycheck despite having a high-paying job, and scared because he didn't know where to start. John remembered a friend who once tried to steer him towards financial education, urging him to read a book on saving and investing. His friend Mike reminded him that many grown-ups do not have proper financial planning, and that could be dangerous. Mike also said that financial literacy can be very different from lessons from schools or colleges, but it is not difficult. But back then, John dismissed it with a laugh, thinking,
Nah, I'll be fine. I'm earning enough.
And then one late night, after reflecting on his current turmoil and the words from Mike, he decided to really take financial education seriously. He browsed through the internet and seemed to have found something really useful. Since then, John has been earnestly spending time learning about personal finance. He has started to make progress on his financial planning. He believes that he has found some good footing ever since. John is changing his spending habits. He is keeping track of his finances, his debt, and even started to have a small investment account. John is now determined that he is better off, not only financially, but emotionally. For the first time in life, John began to see the path forward. John wishes he had started his pursuit of financial wisdom sooner. Not only are there books about personal finance, there is also an awesome YouTube channel that really helped him grasp the main lessons within a short span of time. As he sat there listening to practical advice, he realized it's never too late to turn things around. And that's what this channel's all about.
I wish I had found this channel sooner. I am glad that there are sincere people out there that care about other people. I know I have much catch-up to do, but I think this is really a great start for me to get serious about financial education.
So, if you're like John and you feel like you've made mistakes or you're not sure where to start, take it from him. Don't wait until you're behind on bills or faced with an emergency. It's time to take control of your financial future. Start by subscribing to this channel. You'll find real-life tips on saving, investing, and building the financial security that everyone deserves. Drop a comment below if you've ever felt like John, and let's learn and grow together. Don't wait until it's too late. Take control of your life and your money today. Hit that like button, subscribe, and start your journey towards financial freedom. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.